Hi class, in this video I'm going to teach you how to complete the exercise in Cikgu Azemi's book regarding the subtopic that we have learned in our last class, which is the subtopic Standard Electrode Potential Series. We stopped our class last week because of the weather problem. So I'm going to teach you how to complete. I hope this video will be very clear and you will be able to complete the exercise at the time frame given later, 11 o'clock until 12:30. Okay, so look at Cikgu Azemi's book in page 34. Look at this. This is the Standard Electrode Potential Series of half cell. I just want to remind all of you that the one that you see in Cikgu Azemi's book is different from your textbook. Cikgu Azemi susun terbalik, okay? The negative one below, the positive one above. Sama juga, boleh diterima juga, okay? Boleh dipakai juga. One thing that you really need to understand is if you see negative value, itu adalah oxidation, okay? Semua yang ada negative value ni, negative E0 value, all of them will undergo oxidation. So since they undergo oxidation process, they will be reducing agent. Diorang akan jadi reducing agent sebab diorang mengalami pengoksidaan proses diorang. Dan sebaliknya, to those which have the E0 positive value, kan, these all will undergo reduction. So since they undergo reduction, they are going to be oxidizing agent. Makin besar itu nilai positif atau negatif, makin kuatlah, the stronger diorang punya peranan. Okay? Now, please take note that you saw the half equation here kan, semua macam reduction. Sebab reduction tu semua will accept electron kan, semua accept electron. Tapi please remember that kalau oxidation macam ni lah, yang negatif ni kan, you will not write the half equation like this. Kamu akan kasih terbalik. Because oxidation means you derma electron. So sebagai contoh, this one, the lead kan, it's going to be like this. P, B, arrow, ni nah. Kasih terbalik. Because kalau oxidation, derma electron. So kasih terbalik this equation, half equation. So PB, arrow, PB2 plus, and 2 electron. Okay, it's going to become an ion, lead ion. From lead atom, it's becoming lead ion. How many electrons donated? 2. Why? Because according to the charge of the PB. Okay, jadi faham lah? Asalkan dia adalah oxidation process, maka you have to do the equation terbalik. Terbalik daripada contoh yang diberi dalam buku teks ataupun buku Cikgu Azemi. Sebenarnya kan kelas, I always say that this one is SEP kan. Dia ada nama lain. Dia punya nama lain adalah Standard Reduction Potential Series. Ya, ini nama lain dia. Because why dia use reduction? You see ba, all of this cerita reduction ba ni, all of this terima elektron. Tapi kita juga boleh kasih terbalik. That is why ada nota here. The arrows are reversible arrow. Means each substance can be oxidized or reduced. Faham ah? Okay, now let us go to this latihan 31. Determine the oxidizing agent and reducing agent based on E0. So you need to determine, tentukan mana satu oxidizing, mana satu reducing. And you need to understand that kalau dia adalah oxidizing agent, maka you know that oxidizing agent kan. Jadi dia it will undergo sebaliknya apa? It will undergo reduction. Begitu. Kalau dia adalah reducing agent, dia kasih turun bahan lain. So what is the process yang dia sendiri alami adalah oxidation. So it will undergo oxidation. Begitu. Kasih terbalik saja. So look at this soalan here. Cell setengah zinc ataupun half cell zinc in English. From E0 series, we know that the E0 series stated that dia punya value adalah negative 0.76 ba. So if you see negative here, tu na, E0 value negative, maka you know that itu mengalami the zinc mengalami, this zinc is undergoing oxidation. So you can just write here, this one, it's undergoing oxidation because they're negative the value. Okay, so the process, let us answer this one. Zinc atom has a tendency to release electron to form apa? Kan I said just now, ini adalah standard reduction potential punya half equation. But since we know that kalau dia negative, dia oxidation, so dia punya equation terbalik. It will become like this. Zn arrow Zn2 plus and 2e minus. So from this half equation, you can answer this sentence. Zinc atom has a higher tendency to release electron to form zinc ion. Zinc ion ataupun Zn2 plus ion. Zn2 plus ion. Okay, so zinc undergoes oxidation. Begitulah, oxidation. Now, since it undergoes oxidation, dia mengalami oxidation, so what is the peranan? What is dia punya role? Role ba? So zinc atom on the right side, ni zinc atom on the right side, tu the right side is a stronger reducing agent. Okay, reducing agent. So half equation, Zn atom arrow Zn2 plus ion, 2e minus electron, dia derma. Okay, I hope you are clear with that. Next one is sebaliknya. Okay, reverse. Look at the E0 value for the half cell silver. Ag plus is silver, argentum plus silver kan. So this is the equation, reduction equation from the standard electrode potential series. Jadi, given that the E0 value is positive 0.80 kan. So, dia punya nilai, value dia adalah positif. And once we know that dia adalah positif, you need to understand that itu adalah reduction process. Argentum atau silver undergoes reduction process. So, tulis besar-besar di sini, reduction process. So, what is the role? Agent apa ni? I believe you can answer this one already kan? You know that it's reduction process, so apa dia punya role? Dia bertindak sebagai agent apa ba? Okay? So you remember that kalau reduction process, Nina Ag plus yang di kiri, we always refer to the left hand side if we want to know that whether it's a reducing agent or an oxidizing agent. Contohnya macam ni ada zinc. Zinc kan? Zinc is the reducing agent here. Tapi why this sentence say zinc right is stronger reducing agent? Bukan zinc right ini ya. It's referring to the the reduction half equation from the standard electrode potential series. On the right side. Sebab ini kan Zn atom yang mengalami oxidation. So dialah juga reducing agent. Dia terbalik ba? Terbalik. Kalau reduction process, ini kan yang mengalami reduction. This is undergoing reduction because he's the one yang terima electron. So he will be the one yang jadi agent pengoksidaan. Like that. Okay, I hope you understand that one. Please complete 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 exercises. Okay, now I will teach you how to do this one. Latihan 32. Determine the strongest oxidizing agent and the strongest reducing agent. Nah, when you want to know which one is the reducing, which one is the oxidizing agent, kan class, you need to understand what is the process yang dia alami. So if I were you, I will write here stronger reducing agent. Reducing agent mani, jadi apa dia buat? Apa yang dia alami? Okay, dia alami oxidation. Oxidation. I explained this one during our class in the last lesson, but the weather is not good, so a lot of people in and out. So I hope in this video it will be very clear lah. Okay. Now, oxidizing agent. Dia agent pengoksidan, tapi apa yang dia alami? Okay, dia alami reduction lah. Reduction. Kasih terbalik saja bah. Reduction process, itulah oxidizing agent. Oxidation process, itulah reducing agent, like that. So one more thing is, macam mana kita mau tahu yang mana satu oxidation, mana satu reduction? Okay, so you need to see the E0 value. You know that the E0 value kalau negative, if it's negative, maksudnya itu adalah oxidation process. Okay, oxidation process. Why? Because dia derma electron. Derma electron. So, mana satu yang derma electron? Remember, kalau oxidation process, this is reduction punya half equation kan? So, you need to kasih terbalik. Kasih terbalik lah. So, if you see negative here, what I do is, I will kasih terbalik the equation like this. So that I know bah, yang kalau ini kan standard punya, standard reduction daripada buku teks, daripada the series yang dalam Cikgu Azemi. Tapi, if you understand already kalau ini adalah negative dan dialah oxidation, kasih terbalik lah the equation here. So that easier for you to understand mana satu yang agent. So I will kasih terbalik like this, Zn2 plus, like that. Okay, and then this one also negative kan, Sn. Okay, ini pun I will kasih terbalik, Sn. Okay, derma electron to become Sn2 plus and 2e minus. Cari lagi, where is the negative one? This one. So I will kasih terbalik again, K, and then K plus E minus, like that. So from this equation kan kelas, it's going to help you to determine mana satu agent untuk reducing, mana satu agent untuk oxidizing. Okay, let me explain the A first. A first. Why zinc? Kenapa zinc yang reducing agent? You see the equation bah? Bukan dia kah yang mengalami oxidation? Dia yang mengalami oxidation bah? Sebab dia yang derma elektron. You remember, kalau oxidation, you need to kasih terbalik, and then you need to kasih terbalik this one, the equation, and then yang sebelah kiri tu lah agent pengoksidaan. Agent penurunan, because it undergoes oxidation bah. Okay, kalau I want to talk further about macam mana bah dia mengalami oxidation ni teacher, I cannot see. Okay, sebenarnya you can see it through the oxidation number. Look at this one, zinc and Zn2 plus. The oxidation number for zinc adalah 0 ma. Because 0 is, zinc is atom. Asal atom kah, molecule kah, you remember we learn before this, dia punya oxidation number mesti 0. Tapi if it's an ion like this, Zn2 plus, dia adalah positif 2. So you can see that the oxidation number of zinc increases from 0 pergi 2. Maksudnya zinc mengalami pengoksidaan. So, kalau dia yang mengalami pengoksidaan, dialah agent penurunan. Begitu. Okay? So, faham di sini ya, kenapa reducing agent adalah zinc. Okay, I explain one more time. Sebab dia yang mengalami pengoksidaan. The oxidation process. So, siapalah oxidizing agent? You see here. Cu2 plus. Kenapa bukan Cu? Okay, kenapa bukan Cu? Sebab look at the equation over here. Okay, the equation. Kan Cu2 plus tu dia punya oxidation number adalah plus 2. Okay, oxidation number we compare like this. Okay, if you want to understand further, we compare like this. This one is plus 2. This one is 0. Nah, jadi bukankah from plus 2 to 0 turun ba ni? The oxidation number turun. Jadi kalau dia punya oxidation number yang turun, dialah yang mengalami reduction. Dan dia mengalami reduction, dialah oxidizing agent. Begitu ba? Okay? So, I will write Cu2 plus as the oxidizing agent. Sudahlah, begitu. Sebenarnya kalau kita kasih gabung, if we kasih gabung the equation kan, I cancel this and then I cancel this one. Bukankah yang ini dengan ini di kiri, and then this one dengan this one, this one di kanan, kan kelas? So when we gabung, the equation is going to be, ionic equation is going to be like this. This one you understand already kan, how to do like that. Okay, so ini adalah oxidizing Ini adalah reducing agent. Why? Sebab dia kasih reduce ni kawan dia ba. Ini adalah oxidizing agent. Why? Sebab dia kasih oxidize kawan dia. Begitu. Okay, so I hope you understand that one. Please do all the exercise B, C, D dan juga E. And then you need to pass up. I give you from 11 until 12:30 to do this. Okay, latihan 33. Look at this. Arrange oxidizing agent or reducing agent according to strength. According to strength, mengikut kekuatan. So, we must identify lah which one yang undergo oxidation duluan. Kalau saya lah, I like to use the oxidation duluan. So, macam mana tu? Mari kita tengok this one. The A first. Negative 0.76, positive 0.54, positive 0.77. Which one is the most negative one? The most negative itulah yang duluan. Dia yang duluan oxidation process. Okay? So, this one will be the number 1. Number 1, oxidation process. And then number 2. Number 2, siapalah number 2? This will be the number 2. Okay? This will be the number 2. Because apa? Because dia punya nilai positif adalah yang kedua terkecil kan? And then, yang paling besar punya adalah this one, nombor 3. So, siapalah yang agent pengoksidaan yang paling kuat di sini? Bukan zinc, kan? This is the strongest oxidation process sudah ni. Sebab ini duluan yang berlaku, kan? Okay, so I will explain it this way. Okay, so I will explain it this way. Look at this one class. You need to do some errata first, pembetulan in Cikgu Azemi's book. This one is in page 36. Look at this one. You padam all the given answer from Cikgu Azemi's book and then you salin this one. Okay, this one is the correct one. Yang atas tu salah tu yours given tu salah, errata. So, before you decide which is the strongest reducing agent, yang sebelah sini strongest lah kan. Kanan is the strongest reducing agent. Sebab look at the arrow here. Strength of reducing agent. Makin ke kanan, makin kuat. Look at this. Okay, as we go to the right hand side, you will see that the strength of the oxidizing agent increases. So, macam mana kita mau tentukan? Okay, before we decide which one is the reducing agent, we need to understand. Kalau dia adalah reducing agent, so dia akan mengalami oxidation. Okay, I will write here, this one will undergo oxidation process and this will go reduction process. That one is very important. If you don't understand, kalau kamu tidak tahu yang ini reducing agent, jadi dia mengalami oxidation process. You don't understand itu basic concept, kamu tidak dapat susun and you will not know how to answer all of this. Okay, tapi if you know already, you can do the exercise above sampai di sini. Aduh, bersyukur sudah saya. Okay, so look at this one. You understand kan? Kalau oxidation process yang dia alami, maka dia adalah reducing agent. And kalau oxidation process, dia punya half equation all terbalik. It's all terbalik because these all are going to donate. So what I did is, I write down all the equation terbalik like this. Ni, kasih terbalik dia. What I mean by terbalik is because oxidation so oxidation is you take the Zn, put here on the left hand side, and then arrow, and then you will have the ion. Kasih terbalik from the equation here that you see, kasih terbalik. So now, as I have told you just now, negative 0.76 ini yang paling cepat berlaku. Sebab dia negative 0.76. That is why Zn, Nina, that is the strongest reducing agent. Sebab dia yang duluan berlaku. The negative 0.76 itu yang duluan. Okay? So the second one siapa? Look at this one. Positive 0.54 and positive 0.77. Ini yang kurang sikit kan? Less positive compared to this one. So inilah the I minus lah yang jadi the second one. I minus. Iodide ion. The iodide ion. Don't take the two. You just write down the the substance, which is the iodide ion. Why iodide? Because it comes from here and kita kasih terbalik. Because this is reduction punya half equation. This is oxidation punya half equation. Remember that. Okay, so the third one will be the ferrum ataupun iron ion. Iron ion. Iron ion. Ataupun tidak mau bingung, iron Fe2+ ion. Okay, sebab dia yang paling positif. Jadi dia lah yang paling lambat. Paling lambat berlaku proses oxidation dan dia lah yang paling lemah. The weakest reducing agent of all these three. Okay, you understand that? And then, okay, how about this? Oxidizing agent. So, oxidizing agent is all the substance which undergo reduction process. So this one easy, no need to write the equation balik because we have already here. Okay, we have the equation. So you just need to determine lah which one is the strongest oxidizing agent. Dia akan terbalik. We don't want the paling negative already. We want the paling positive. Okay, the most positive one. Now, 0.77 is the highest positive number here kan. So, this will be the strongest oxidizing agent. That is why Fe3+ di sini yang ketiga, not the first one. Sebab dia yang paling positif. Untuk reduction, we find the paling positive number. So, Fe3+, we take the left hand side because this equation is correct already, the half equation. Okay, kalau yang terbalik begini itu untuk oxidation. So, the second one siapa? Of course lah, ini iodine molecule. Okay, iodine. So, kita letak kedua. And the weakest siapa? Weakest oxidizing agent adalah zinc ion. Zinc ion. That's the weakest. Kenapa? Sebab dia paling negatif. So, the concept here is class, you need to understand mana yang negatif, itulah, which one the negative one, itulah oxidation. Begitu. Lepas tu tengoklah dia punya nombor, perubahan the number. Then you can susun already. And all of these, you need to kasih terbalik first. Kasih terbalik. But if you understand already, tidak mau terbalik pun, you can see, oh ini ba ni untuk di sini, tak payahlah. This one I just show sebab, yeah, I need to make you understand better. Okay, so that's all for in your buku Cikgu Azemi, page 36. But I'm going to give you extra exercises. Because as I have told you, tidak cukup lah yang ini. But for now, in this video, the explanation memang sampai sini. I will give you extra. You wait for it. Okay, so please do all the exercises, class. Thank you very much.